I'm gonna live like Bob Ross for the next 48 hours. I know I don't look like him yet, but the wise men say if it looks like a duck, walks like a duck, and quacks like a duck, it is a duck. Now I look like him, but I paint like this. So I had to bring in an expert.
I watched 600 hours of Bob Ross content, and I'm gonna make you paint like Bob Ross in 48 hours.
But not only that, at the end of this challenge, I'm gonna live stream as Bob Ross in front of thousands of people.
And we're gonna sell his painting for charity. So step number 1. A big part of Bob Ross is the way he talks. So now I'm gonna try to teach Ash how to speak like Bob Ross. Repeat after me. Happy little trees.
Happy little trees.
We're gonna put a happy little sky in here. You can do anything that you want to. Total power.
We're gonna put a happy little tree in here.
Just have a good day and be happy and be in love with the life and...
Just have a good day in life and... What the fuck? Can we go to the small dialogues? Happy little trees.
Happy little trees.
We're gonna put a happy little sky in here.
We're gonna put a happy little sky in here.
You can do anything. You can do anything you want to do. Total power.
You gotta be softer, baby. This one is softer. Like, we don't make mistakes. Just happy.
We don't make mistakes. Just happy little mistakes.
Like you're blowing it out softly.
If you've painted before, you'll understand this. If you've never painted before, this will drive you to drink.
If you've painted before, you'll understand this. If you've never painted before, this will drive you to drink.
Looking, but never seeing.
You gotta be softer.
Looking.
Looking. Yeah.
But never seeing.
Better. Do it again.
Looking.
But never seeing.
But never seeing. Painting should always be fun. It should make you happy. That's when you're truly an artist.
He needs to learn how to paint.
So we're gonna try to recreate the painting by Bob Ross that's called The Grandeur of Summer.
I'm Summer. This is our main brush that we're gonna use, but we're also gonna use all of these brushes. First of all, you need to...
What's the name of this brush?
Big brush.
Okay, we're gonna beat the devils out of this one.
So we're gonna start with white.
White.
Because Bob does the wet in wet method.
Wet in wet method.
So first of all, we need to put some white on the canvas so that all the colors mix and blend nicely into each other.
Okay, we give it a nice little coat. Spread it. What are we doing?
Well, I'll explain it to you. We might have to move our art studio indoors at this point. It's also in the 30s today.
So we are in a happy new location. There are no mistakes in painting. There are only happy little accidents. We're just gonna give it a nice little coat.
You're still like learning. You need to do it like this, baby. And I'm gonna help you here. We're gonna start making some happy sky.
Summer took over the right side of the painting, and I got to do the left side. We created the sky and the ocean. We were happy. Our creation journey started facing trouble when we painted the clouds.
And then fan it up. You see those little hairs? Those are fine, because then we're gonna go like this. That's how he does it, I swear.
Summer was teaching from her memory, and after about 1 hour of painting, we started making a lot of accidents. It was baloney. We even started to fight.
You're not following the instructions.
Baby,
He's showing
my
the
cloud
instructions.
is way better than your cloud.
No, it's your cloud, but it's not how he exactly says to make a cloud.
That's not how we made a cloud. We tried to go with the flow and hope to turn all our accidents into opportunities. But,
We actually messed up.
yeah, big time.
There was 2 planes, more trees, and
We didn't follow Bob Ross step by step.
and we forgot.
This is what we ended up with. So we're gonna toss this in the trash. Start over.
It's day number 2.
And we're gonna attempt the painting one more time, but this time we're gonna follow step-by-step instructions from Bob Ross.
We have him right here with us. The master is here.
With Bob on our side, we felt good about ourselves and about the world, and it showed in our painting.
And then sharpen it.
We had to be extra careful not to mess it up. We spent the next 6 hours creating happy little trees and gave them lots of friends to live along with. We fell into it like a waterfall, and we could really experience the joy of painting. This is our final painting. I think it turned out okay.
I think you're ready for your live stream.
Okay, are we live? Hello, I'm Bob Ross. Welcome to this happy little live stream. I just wanted to come online to remind you that this is your world. You're the creator. You can do anything that you want to do. Total power. Whatever you do, it must bring you joy. It must make you happy. If you're not happy, you're not doing the right thing. Also, I made this happy little painting and I'm selling it on eBay. I will donate all the proceeds from this auction to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. There will be a happy little link that lives in our bio that you can click. From my easel to your heart, may your Christmas be filled with the joy of creating happy memories with loved ones.
A sweet little brush.
A sweet little big
A
brush.
sweet little brush. They're only happy little accidents.
Hey, I'm Bob Ross.
Oh, sorry. I think I want to be Bob Ross.